Hey everybody, it's Trash. I just figured I got my shop together and I figured I'd give you a little quick tour of it. I'm going to give you a quick 360 degrees for a second, just so you can get the preview. And I might talk a little bit, maybe not, who knows. There's this shit piled there and some... Alright, then the back wall is right here. Stuff ready to go, so I'll start over here. Right here is my my trusty amp that I always use whenever I'm demoing something. It takes pedals well. It isn't some. I don't care about the temperature with it. It's beat up and I use it and it works well for me. Just some pedals and stuff on the floor, air compressor, and this is my workbench. You can see my soldering station and drill and vise and just kind of just the general tools, you know. And up here you can see some nice tin signs that I kind of recently started to collect. And right here is my desk area. Just my laptop. I'll print out schematics or whatever I do on it. And over here is just kind of some pedals I've been working on. There's probably about 10,000 resistors in those purple things, literally. Trash bucket, fan, you know, the whole place in here is air conditioned and it's sealed, and I built it up in my garage, but the air conditioner still sometimes needs a little help with from the fan. This is my back wall with just some signs I pulled off of jobs. This guitar right there was actually the first guitar I ever refinished. And then fencing masks that go back to my great-grandfather, I believe. Or maybe my grandfather, I'm not sure how far back. And up here is just junk. That's kind of the pit where everything goes. That doesn't matter. You know, some of this stuff I'm going to take apart and mess with. Some of the stuff I'm not. There, I'm going to change positions here. Hold on one second. I'm not very good at the whole camera operating thing yet. There's two filing cabinets, which are absolutely packed with about probably at least 100 tubes in there, thousands of electrical components, split switches, cables, you name it. Up there is that's my the top shelf right there is just a box of tools. I'll show you the ceiling, and then right there are some projects that I'll probably not get around to for a while, but that's okay. There's my air conditioning unit in this room. There's my Crate Blue Voodoo. That amp I modded a couple of years ago, and I really like it, but it's kind of due for some more attention. I just want to go further with it and explore. There's a tiny little chassis of the Valve King combo that I'm modding at the moment. I'll get it back to it one of these days. And there's just a bunch of tools, a couple of trumpets, and over here, hold on one second, let me focus, is my workstation corner. Just some cheap tools. There's a cabinet for, I think it's a 68 Bassman that I'm reworking right now. This is just a bench. This is just there's my printer, tool charger, yeah, just basic stuff, and I believe you've seen everything. I'm gonna give you a quick turnaround again. Like, I'm not good with the camera thing, so some of this might be out of focus, but yeah, here's a quick turnaround. And this is pretty much everything. This is where my shops, this is where all the amps, this is where everything happens. And if you see this here, you see the sign, what does it say? Exit.